Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Guys, in this video we will learn about Excel's basic to advanced filter functions.
दोस्तों ये वीडियो हिंदी में भी अवेलेबल है। आप ऊपर दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं और एक लिंक हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी दिया है, आप वहां से भी वीडियो को चेकआउट कर सकते हैं।
As you can see on the screen there is some data provided here. So let's understand how we can apply the filter function. I will explain both the long cut and shortcut method to apply filter function. For applying the filter function, first we need to go to the Home tab. Then you can see the option for sorting and filtering available here. Once you select the filter, you can see here that the filter is applied to the table. Now the next way to apply filter function is you can go data and apply the filter function. Now I will show you some shortcuts. First select any cell in the table and then press Ctrl Shift and L. So you can see the filter has been applied. Again press Ctrl Shift plus L and you can see the filter goes away. Now I will explain you another shortcut. With this method you can find the shortcut key for any Excel function. For applying this function you have to press Alt, then A, then T. As you can see, filter has been applied. So that was how you can apply shortcuts. Friends, now let's discuss the basic filter and its different types that can be applied to the sheet. As you can see, it's a date filter here in column A. Next, column B, we have text filter. Another is column C, number filter. We will cover all three functions here. Then we will move to the advanced filter and advanced function. For applying date filter, first we need to select the column containing dates. In this case, it is column A. As you can see, there is sorting function is also available and we have already covered sorting in my previous video. Now we have many functions available in data filter like equal, after, there. The most important is custom filter. For example, I want sales data for July 19, 2024. So I will put the date in front of equals here. As you can see, the data of July 19, 2024 is now filtered here. Now I will start by explaining another example of how you can filter data for a specific date range here. I want the data from July 19, 2024 to December 19, 2024 here. In this case, I will select each after, then I will put a date in front of each after here. Then next I will select each before, then I will put 19 December 2024 here. Then press OK. That you can see the specific date range data has been filtered out. I hope you are now understand how to apply date filters. Next we will apply text filters. As I mentioned before, you can simply type the name of the text you want to filter in the search box here and it will automatically filter for that text. In the text filter, we have multiple options like equals, does not equal, begin with.
If I select March and use the doesn't equal filter option in Excel, the filter will hide all the rows that contains the value March in the selected column. If I select contain as a filter option and input A in this box, the filter will display all the rows where the selected column contains the letter A anywhere within the cell's text.
Now let's apply a number filter in column C. There are multiple options available, some of which are similar to what we have seen before, and there are also some different options available here. Now let's understand this with an example. Here we will use the greater than filter. In this case, I will put 2024 in front of greater than. You can see that values greater than 2024 are filtered and displayed here. Now I will show you some example of color filter. As you can see on the screen, we have some rows with yellow color. First we will apply a filter to it. After selecting the filter, you will notice that we have the option of color filtering. So let's select a color. Once the color is selected, you can see that the data is filtered for that particular color. Now I will add another color here. We will go back to the filter and you can see that two colors are now being displayed. We can also use no fill option here. Once click on the OK, you can see that the rows with colors has been excluded. Now let's talk about advanced filters. But first, why do we need advanced filter? For instance, when using basic filtering, if I filter data for a specific month, such as July, and then try to paste that data into another section of the same sheet, you may notice that some rows are hidden. This can lead to only one row being visible when I paste the data, which can be problematic. So what's the solution? So one option is to paste the filtered data into a new sheet where all the data will appear. Another solution would be to use advanced filter. So applying advanced filter, we have to provide some criteria. In this case, we need data only for July month. So first I will select any cell in my table. Then I will go data, then click on advanced. As you can see, the range is already selected. Second, we have criteria range. Criteria is July month. Here you can see there are two options available. One is filter the list in place, which means the filter will apply it in the same list. And the second is copy to another location, which means the filtered data will be copied to a new location. In this case, I want to paste my data in cell M1. Then press OK. As you can see, all the July month's data has been filtered. Now in the second example, we will providing two criteria. First, the data should be for July, and second, the sales should be more than $680. Again, select the data, then advanced. List range is already selected. Now we will select new criteria. Then copy to another location. In this case, we will select M1, then select the cell and OK. As you can see, data has been filtered. In the next example, I will show you how you can apply filter function. With the help of filter function, you can change your data automatically. If you put in criteria, if you change something in criteria, the data will automatically change. So our criteria is we need data for month July. First, we will select any cell where we want to filter our data, and first copy the header and paste it anywhere in the sheet. Then we will apply filter function. First type equal filter, then click on filter argument. First is array, so I have selected the array. So please select the table without header. Next is include. So in this case, we are selecting data from column B. So we are looking for only July data. So we will select column B without header. And column B, this data should be equal to H2. Next option is if empty. You can leave this option blank. Then press OK. As you can see here, when I change the data in column H2, the data is changing automatically. So I hope दोस्तों this video was productive for you. So please make sure you subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.